Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So here in this video I will teach you how you can use this TubeBuddy. Simply open the app. You can find this app in the App Store and Play Store, available on both Android and iOS devices. Here for creating an account you only have one option, continue with Google, so you can do that. Account has been logged in. Here you can see your account on the top. You can see total subscriber, your views and the videos you have uploaded. And here you can see all your videos that you have posted. You can see the total number of views, the like or dislike, the comment on your videos and the total engagement your video has made. And here you can apply the filter on the basis of their public video, unlisted video and private video, and you can apply that. Now here you can see this message icon in the bottom. Simply click on that. And similarly here you can see all the comments that people did on your videos. You can analyze them here. And similarly here you can also filter these comments. Here you have hide comments with replies, hide hidden comments. You can apply these filters and you can see the changes here. Now let's move to the next one. Here you have this trophy where you can see all your milestones. Here you can see that our account has 8 subscribers, so we need one more. And if we talk about the views, we have 1.8k views. We need 2k, only few 200 views more. And here we have uploaded only 16 video. We need to upload 20 video to complete our first milestone. These milestones basically help you reach your goal easily. Now let's move to the next one. Here you can see all the updates about this TubeBuddy, and you have these 3 lines. Here you can see the tag explorer where you can find the tags. Like here if we go and if we search for food, here you can see that overall where food tag lays. You can see that it's all low overall. And similarly you can also see here the research volume and competitions, and you can see the tags here in the bottom. You can use any of these and even you can copy that to clipboard. And now here I have researched fitness. You can see the keywords for fitness as well. And here now let's move to the topic planner. Here you can capture and you can organize your video ideas in one frame. Here in this TubeBuddy you don't have any video idea generation options as you have in the TubeMagic and in the vidIQ. And now here you have these canned responses where you can add the responses. And here you have this tag list where you can add different tags. Here you have to type that manually. There's no generation option as you can see that in the TubeMagic and vidIQ. Now let's talk about a subscription plan. You can see this upgrade option on the top. You can click on that. And now here you can see their plans. Here you also have 7-day free trial and you have to pay $3 per month. This is kind of really affordable as we compare it with the vidIQ and TubeMagic packages. And if we compare these TubeBuddy with vidIQ, here you can see how the vidIQ looks. Here you have this generate, optimize, keywords, ideas and many more features. You can see that how good this vidIQ is, whereas in this TubeBuddy you can't find such more options. Here in the vidIQ you have more options and more features. It's a bit more complex, whereas this TubeBuddy is really simple and it's really good for beginners who need minimum features. Here you can see some less features as compared to vidIQ, but it's easy to use. Whereas if you want more feature, then you can go with vidIQ because here you have more features and more options. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.